To address acute domestic workforce shortages, South Korea is recalibrating its population makeup through the arrival of foreign labor and the promotion of multicultural families. The scale of this shift is documented in the latest registry. Over 2.65 million foreign nationals currently reside in the country. This group now represents approximately 5% of the total population. These residents primarily arrive from mainland Southeast Asia, traveling along established migration routes from Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia. While vital, their arrival introduces a specific biological variable into a medical system historically focused on a genetically homogeneous population. This chart compares the genetic carrier rates for thalassemia. In Southeast Asia, up to 40% of the population carries a gene variant. In the native Korean population, that rate is approximately 0.1%. Because the disease is so rare in native Koreans, it has become a clinical blind spot. When a migrant patient or a child of a multicultural family presents with microcytic anemia, physicians often default to a more common diagnosis. Retrospective reviews show that 56% of pediatric thalassemia cases in Korea are initially misdiagnosed as iron deficiency anemia. This leads to the prescription of oral iron therapies that are both ineffective and dangerous. For these patients, the treatment results in iron overload, which can cause permanent damage to the heart and liver. If carriers are not identified early, the healthcare system faces a long-term financial burden. Treating a single patient with transfusion-dependent thalassemia requires constant medical intervention, costing the National Health Insurance Service up to $700,000 over their lifetime. The current diagnostic framework is not designed to find these silent carriers proactively. Without a change in screening, these cases will continue to place a growing financial strain on the national insurance system. AI Thalassemia addresses this gap. It is a software as a medical device that converts routine complete blood count results into an instant triage recommendation. The process is simple to implement. It requires no new clinical hardware and removes the need for expensive upfront DNA sequencing. The software integrates directly with the laboratory information systems of national reference labs. When a blood sample is processed, the raw numerical data is pushed via API to the AI engine, which returns a risk score in seconds. This table shows performance metrics, identifying carriers with 99.8% sensitivity instantly, compared to a 14-day wait. Specificity data highlights another advantage. The software reduces false positives from 70% down to just 12%. AI is the only way to screen a large migrant population at scale without creating delays in the physician's daily workflow. Implementing this nationwide requires no funding from the national budget. It is a self-sustaining model that costs the Korean taxpayer nothing. Because South Korea already mandates medical checkups for long-term visa applicants, a small software fee, approximately $2, is simply added to the existing health exam package. This fee is paid entirely by the foreign applicant or their employer, neutralizing any potential political or fiscal friction. This automated triage also creates new revenue for domestic labs. By accurately flagging high-risk individuals, it increases the volume of necessary confirmatory tests performed by Korean healthcare providers. The profit-sharing structure is designed to benefit the state directly. 30% of the net profit generated in Korea is channeled back to the government to support migrant health initiatives and rare disease research. This model transforms a significant national financial liability into a revenue-generating public health asset. This slide details the foundation of the platform's accuracy. It is built on the largest clinically verified real-world dataset for this specific disease. Currently, there are no direct AI competitors in the South Korean market capable of matching this specific diagnostic indication. The software's validation protocols are explicitly designed to align with the Digital Medical Products Act, clearing the path for approval from the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety as a Class II device. This unique combination of exclusive clinical data and proactive regulatory compliance establishes a highly defensible and lasting market position. As South Korea adapts to its new demographic reality, its medical screening tools must adapt to the clinical profile of its international residents. Deploying clinical intelligence doesn't just save state healthcare dollars, it actively secures the health of the next generation of citizens born into multicultural families. Modernize the screening architecture, integrate the technology, and protect the medical future today.